All right, today we're going to be going over the difference between SX and non-SX pumps. This video is only in regards to Annovi Reverberi, also known as AR pumps. This is a question that I get many times a day. I get a lot of people who accidentally order the wrong pump and then they have to send it back, slowing down repair times, and obviously it just slows you down for getting the job done. So I'm going to make this video today. Hopefully we get people to order the right pump the right time around. So a couple things I want to talk about. Starting off with, when you're looking at a pump that has the variations between SX and non-SX, the first thing you want to understand is that the pumps themselves are 90% identical. The only thing that is truly changing is the three legs that are mounting the pump to your engine, also known as the flange. So what's going on here is the three legs on an SX pump are positioned in one position, where if we slide over here to the non-SX, you'll actually notice the three legs are flipped 180 degrees. That is truly the only difference between these two pumps, is how the legs are positioned for the pump. So now how do we determine what pump I have to understand which pump I should order to replace it? One thing I want to let you know is there's going to be no writing on the pump or any type of serial number or stamp that's going to help you identify these two differences. The only way to truly find out which pump is which is via visually determining which is which means we got to get our eyes on the pump and figure it out. So the easiest way that we found here at our shop to quickly identify the difference between an SX and a non-SX is by figuring out the location of the legs compared to the inlet, where I hook up my garden hose, and my outlet, which is where I hook up my high pressure hose. So on an SX version of the pump, as you can see, I have two legs on the same side of the pump as my inlet and outlet. Where if I come over to my non-SX version, I only have one leg on the side of the pump, which has my inlet and outlet. That one determining factor is the easiest way to figure out if you have a SX pump with two legs on the same side as my inlet and outlet, or a non-SX pump which has one leg on the same side as my inlet and outlet.